everyone, thank you so much for clicking to this video, and welcome back if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for the support you have given me. I don't take it for granted.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through. I give it up.
I'm removing all the cover, including the couch cover, to clean, and I think I'm going to start by cleaning all the covers so that they can be drying as I'm doing other house chores.
I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know we miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do to put your heart to rest.
I normally soak my white clothes with jig and water for like 1 hour or so before putting them in my washing machine.
To be you again.
I removed all the couch covers and I decided to cover it with the bed sheet because they don't have the inner lining, but I'll have them put. I don't like how the couch look openly without the lining. I will also remove the carpet to clean cause it's so dirty and the weather it's not all that good, but I'll have to.
Some things I can't fix feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hope in that I can't do, but I'd rather lose.
about the lighting. It's not all that good. I don't know what happened.
Need you to know I will carry you home, carry you home. I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
I'm done folding all the clothes, but I'm going to put them in the right place off camera because kuna kamtu kananisumbua hapa. Kindly consider subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you so much. Let us meet to the next video. Bye.
That I'm invincible.